In this video, we will learn how you can automatically create project in Worksnaps when new row is added in Google Sheets. So let's say you want every time details are added in Google Sheets, a project should be created in Worksnaps. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically create a new project in Worksnaps from Google Sheets, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. So we will simply write Google Sheets to Worksnaps. Create. Now it will show you two windows here, trigger and action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a purchase is made. The action can be add the purchase details in a Google Sheet. So in our case, a trigger can be when a new row is added in a Google Sheet. The action can be create a new project in Worksnaps. So let us begin and select Google Sheets as a trigger application. For the trigger event, we will select new or updated spreadsheet row. Now you will see it has generated a webhook URL. A webhook URL is basically a link that connects two applications. So let us copy this. Follow these steps as to know how we have to use this link. For that, let me take you to my Google Sheets. This is the Google Sheets. This is the name of the sheet, Worksnaps 1. The project name, the name by which I have to create this project, the description here. Now coming back to extensions on the top, you will see. We'll click on extensions, click on Pabbly Connect webhooks and initial setup. Now in the webhook URL section, let us paste the webhook URL that we copied from here. Yes, this one. For the trigger column, in our case, it would be last column, column B. What will happen is, so whenever we add any information in this column, column B, the very moment Pabbly will capture the details of the entire row. Okay. So now let us just click on send test. And you will see test data sent successfully. Coming back to Pabbly, I will show you. It has captured the response. You can see the project name here. Test project description is trying and learning software. This is a spreadsheet name. So since this is just for testing purpose, I have given such names. Now we will come back to this later. Let me quickly take you to my Google Sheets once again. And on top you will see extensions. Click there. Again come to Pabbly Connect webhooks. This time instead of initial setup, we are going to click on send on event. Why? So what will happen is next time whenever a new row is added in this sheet, Pabbly is going to capture the response. Okay, coming back to Pabbly Connect, we saw that it has captured the response, the project name, the description name and other details. This means we have successfully integrated our Google Sheets with Pabbly. Now on to our action step. So here we are going to select Worksnaps. For the action event, we will select create a new project. So what we want is, we want every time a row is added or updated in Google Sheets, a project should be created in Worksnaps. So let us connect. Click on add new connection. It needs API token and password. Okay, let us read the help text below. It says enter API token and leave password field blank. Okay, so we don't have to give anything over here. Here for the API token, we will have to follow this path, profile and settings, web service API and show my API token. So let me take you to my Worksnaps dashboard. Okay, on the top you will see profile and settings. I'll open in a new tab. And like you can see, we have 0 project here. We are yet to create one. So now in profile and settings, you will on the top, stay on the top, you will see Web Service API. And here you will see Show My API Token. Just click there. Copy this token. Come to Pabbly. Paste the token. And as it was written here, password field would be blank. So let us not give anything here and just save. And you will see it's connected. Now it needs these fields. These are the required fields, so we will have to give. So for the project name, we will take it from here, test project. But before I map in this name, you must be thinking where exactly are we getting these details from. So for that, I will take you to step 1 here, where we integrated Pabbly with Google Sheets, did a test submission, and Pabbly captured this response, the project name, the description details. Pabbly brought exactly same details over here, the Worksnaps section, so that we can easily map in. So we will take the project from Google Sheet. You can see the project name. I name my project to be created with this name, test project. Description again we are going to take from Google Sheets, trying and learning software. Before we proceed further, I would like to tell you something about these mapped in fields. So once we have mapped in these fields, from next time they will automatically be updated. So what will happen is whenever a new row gets added here in Google Sheet, so in Worksnaps section here, the name and description, these fields will automatically pick the new details and you will not have to manually do it. So now let us just click on save and send test request. So you will see we have received the response. It has generated the project ID as well, the project name, project description, the project status, it shows active. So now let me take you to my Worksnaps to see whether or not we have been able to create this project there. Okay, so this is my Worksnaps. Earlier you could see there was no project, and now there is this project with the name of test project created over here. The description is trying and learning software. So this means we have successfully integrated our Google Sheets and Worksnaps using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.